best to explain, yeah. Baby, I gave your love away. Said I love you, baby. Yeah, I did it. I gave your love away. Said this would be the very last time I'll be seeing you, 'cause you don't even wanna talk, and you don't even wanna meet up, you don't even wanna be friends, pretend you like me. What you said to me. Make time for love. Make time for it. Make time for us. So I know that we can be something.
Baby, look, I'm tired of trying to convince you that I ain't caught up lying. When she walked past me, I looked, so what? Big deal. As if you just caught me cheating. When you look at other men and don't act like you don't, I don't understand how that can make you feel that my love ain't for real, baby. But you're with me. Yo, why would I throw that away? This is where yeah. So I may look occasionally, you're the only one I need. Just live for. I don't trip because I know that I'm the guy you come home to every night, baby. Yeah, that you're with me. Yeah. Why would I throw that away? This is where I wanna be. Yeah, though I may look occasionally, you're the only one I need. She's fine as hell, but she'll always be nothing more than that girl. Hey, yeah. If I wanted you, then I would be with you. Hey, she's fine as hell, but she'll always be nothing more than that girl. Yeah. She knows know I need you right here with me. You're right. Know I need you. No other girl will do. 'Cause I need you right here with me. You're right. Need you. If I wanted that girl, I would be with that girl, but that one ain't for me. She's fine as hell, but she'll always be that girl. Nothing more than that girl. No matter what she do, she just can't be you, baby.
Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, if no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, better say my name. Better say my name. You acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda, you acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby, better say my name. or at home by yourself when I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why do you feel?
Alright, best friend call. We had to stop and gossip for a minute. Shout out to you, Tonya. Alright, let's get back to it.
You gotta lie, getting caught up in your game. Well, you cannot say my name. I never say that. So down is the way it seems. The way you act strange. If nobody's holding you back from me, you see everything you need to do. If somebody's there, then tell me no name, say my name. No one is around you, around you. No one is around you. Say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name, better say my name, better say my name. Tell me, throw that back for me, 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 throw that back, 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 got a back, 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 back, see, back from me, back from see, back from me, back from see, back from me, back from see, 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 back from see. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. Kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name, say my name. If no one is around you, say baby I love you. If you ain't running game, say my name, say my name. You acting kinda shady, ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
Wounded by all the lies he fed you, I still feel the same. Always get it when I am. Many niggas playing games. Me and him are not the same. I love the way you keep it hidden. You don't wanna play around with your feelings. I know you've been hurt, baby, better. Let me help you with the healing. Is it forever, forever? They say we go perfect together. You're not ready for the pressure. If you wanna go, I'ma let her. Nah, nah, nah. I won't claim what's not mine. Nah, 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 nah. I can't read through your lines. Nah, 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 nah. You can tell what I'm up to. No, you can't tell. Can you take direction? Can you take direction? You're giving me this feeling. You're giving me this feeling, God. Giving you this healing. Girl, I got a question.
You know what you need, no. You want me to be a reaper. We can't even take pictures, cause you're supposed to be with him now. I can't lie, I'm tempted to put my key in your ignition. We used to call for ignitions, but now you sending mixed signals. Girl, I'm ready for whatever you got. And whenever you're done, and whenever you come.
Girl, I got a question. Can you take direction? Can you take direction? You're giving me this feeling. You're giving me this feeling, God. Giving you this healing.
Trap House Jodeci.
Yeah, you gon' climb on top, I'ma let you ride it. That bottom lip, I wanna bite it. The way you look is so inviting. I'ma have your body on another level. Wanna get inside of you. Yeah, you gon' love every little thing that I do. I'ma make you feel brand new. Make you feel brand new. Make you feel brand new. Wanna get inside of you.
open up, I'm about to dive in. Yeah. Head first, do when you watch your back, I'm gonna put in that work. I'ma make you scream, make you feel brand new, make you feel brand new, make you feel brand new. Yeah. Your legs, so long and so nice up in the air. You're about to take flight, girl, hold your breath, yeah. And I'ma go deep up in your ocean, yeah. We gon' go all through the motions when I dive in. Wanna make you scream, and if I say that, ooh, have your body on another level. Head first, girl. When you watch your back, I'm gon' put in that work, girl. Face down, ass up, that's the way. You know the rest, baby. Face down, ass up, that's the way. We making love. You. Oh, when I get inside of you, yeah. Oh, babe.
I heard that you want to be closer to me. I heard that you said you've seen me in your dreams. She said you like my confidence and style. She said you wanna hold my hand and more. Oh, she said you like my confidence and style. She said you wanna hold my hand and more. All these rumors spreading around, spreading around, and I kinda like the way they sound. All these rumors, but you and me, how can we make this a reality? Oh, he said, she said. I like what I'm hearing, so my attention you got tonight. If you're half as good as you say you are, let's start wasting time. No, we can keep talking through everybody that's in this room, or we can come face to face and find out if it's true. All these rumors spreading around, and I kinda like the way they sound. All these rumors, but you and me, how can we make this a reality? Oh. He said, she said. He said, she said. He said, she said.
Sugar, honey, iced tea. These bitches don't like me. These bitches won't fight me. And doing shit just to spite me. Do this shit cause I love it. I shot an arrow, said fuck it. I took a chance, came from nothing. You have to go for it, want it. You have to rise up above it. If you go and expect it, well girl, I think that you bugging. How you want what I have? You ain't working yourself. That toxic energy shit ain't really good for your fuck have you dropped. Now what the fuck have you done? Accolades you have none. Your lazy ways get you none. I go and pray for you, hun. Sugar, honey, iced tea. These bitches don't like me. These bitches won't fight me. And doing shit just to spite me. I see them sucking on.
Picture that.
you will receive.
Picture that.
This is it. I didn't put none on my lips, just some Carmac. I don't know. Pink on top of pink. There's so much pink. If you know me, I don't like pink, but it actually didn't turn out bad. So, but this video is dedicated to Erica. That is my friend from DC. She had breast cancer a while back. She passed away, and you know, unfortunately she's not here with us today. She passed away like, I don't even remember. I don't know how many years it's been. I'm trying not to think about it too much because I feel bad I didn't go to her funeral. I think a year after she died, I just got my car because I remember going to DC a year after she died. So, oh my God, it came out cute. I actually like it. But Erica, this one is for you. I am so sorry that I couldn't attend the funeral. I do have a picture of me, her, and Sean. Hopefully I can insert it. We were on FaceTime, and I think that was the last time I talked to her on the phone like that. I remember inboxing her. But, okay, I'm not gonna cry. But, again, this is for you. I miss you. We had good times. We was always laughing. Me, her, and Sean, and I miss her so much. She was a real good friend to me. I remember one time I was crying in front of her because something happened, and she called Sean, and she was like, "Sean, I don't know what to do. She's crying. You know, I don't know how to comfort people. Oh my God, she just made me laugh. I was crying. She was so funny. Hopefully, Sean remember that. I remember we was in my aunt's room. Oh God, Erica, I love you. Phone said, always tell your friends, especially your good friends, even if y'all don't talk a lot, just tell them why they're here. Oh, I'm gonna get off this thing. If I mess this makeup up, it's already messed up, but I'm gonna get off of here. Oh, my face looks fat. Don't do that. All right, Erica. Until next year. Next year I got something hopefully better for you. A cut crease. A cut crease is coming for you next year. I love you, girl. Bye.